I see your smile in the morning light, my world feels calm, my heart feels right. Every whisper of your name sets my soul on fire like a gentle flame. And in your arms I found my home. With you I never feel alone. Even silence speaks so loud when your love wraps me like a cloud. Only you and me under the stars. No need to chase the world, we've come so far. Every heartbeat, every sigh feels like heaven when you're by my side. Only you and me, just let it be. Time may pass, the seasons change, but my love for you will stay the same. Every day with you feels new, like a dream that always comes true. Only you and me under the stars. No need to chase the world, we've come so far. Every heartbeat, every sigh feels like heaven when you're by my side. Only you and me, just let it be. Our love is all we'll ever need. Even if the sky should fall, I'll be with you through it all. Hand in hand we'll rise above. Nothing stronger than our love. Only you and me, forever true. I'll spend my life just loving you. Every heartbeat, every sigh gives us promise that we'll never die. Only you and me, endlessly. This love will live eternally. Only you, only me. This is love, how it's meant.